Xiaomi has made quite a name for itself with its affordable wearables. And not only are they very affordable, but they are feature-packed as well. So right here I have the Xiaomi Mi Band 7. Now this one has a larger display compared to the Mi Band 6. It has improved SpO2 tracking and up to 15 days of battery life, just to name a few of them. Now before we get into more details, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel right quick and hit the notification bell to never miss out on any new hot content. Now the first thing I would like to talk about are the activity tracking and the sport modes. Now normally on fitness trackers you only get a few sport modes, but on this one right here you get up to 120 different ones, starting from very basic stuff such as walking, running or cycling, but we also get 4 professional sport modes with automatic workout detection. And since this watch is also water resistant up to 5 ATM, we can also easily swim and dive with no problem. And one thing that I really like about Xiaomi smartwatches is that all of the sport modes are categorized. So you have things like ball sports, boxing, dancing and others. So you can find the exercise that you want to do a little bit faster. Now before starting one of these exercises, you can set some goals and alerts and you can toggle on the auto pause function. And after your workout, you can look at all of your stats on the watch or over in the app. As for some new features that you're going to find on the Mi Band 7 is the recovery timer to let you know when you're ready for the next workout. You have a training load status, which kind of reminds me of the one that we normally get with the Garmin devices. And we have a VO2 max. One thing that I always look up first when I buy a smartwatch or a fitness tracker is how long does this thing actually last battery wise? And you're not going to be disappointed on this watch. Now on normal usage you get about 15 days of battery life depending on your usage, so it could be a little bit less or a little bit more. Now in case your battery life isn't that great, I at least want to have a fast charging time. We're lucky, so this one has both. So we have a long battery life and it only takes about 2 hours to go from 0% all the way up to 100%. So that's like 2 to 3 episodes of The Good Doctor, and we all know how fast that goes by. I don't know about you guys, but I love looking at the health stats and compare them from today to last week. But that only works if you have continuous health stat tracking. And introducing with the Mi Band 7, we finally have all-day SpO2 tracking. Now you can also track it on demand, and it can even alert you whenever you fall below a certain level. So more features that you can expect is a 24/7 stress and heart rate tracker, and of course the usual sleep tracker. This one tracks your light and deep sleep, your REM sleep and your time awake. And in addition it tracks your naps if you happen to fall asleep during the day. This watch also gives you an analysis of your sleep and gives you some tips on how to improve it. And of course you get to see your stats from last week, month and year, and a comparison between you and similar users. By the way, over in the health stats of your Mi Band 7, you can even let the watch give you some alerts whenever you hit a too high or too low heart rate. And as well as you have a guided breathing session on this device and female health tracking. The design of the watch is not all there is to make your watch more attractive. The watch faces play a big part in that too, and right here we have about 100 faces that we can choose from. By default we get like 5 on the watch, but over in the app there are plenty more, such as animal watch faces, multifunction, mechanic style, fashion and a few more, and some of them are even customizable as well. So by long pressing on your home screen, on your watch you can change different metrics such as your steps, heart rate, sport modes, battery life, just to mention a few of them. And the cool thing right here is that these ones act like a shortcut to those apps and metrics. Alright, spec-wise this watch is packed. Not only is it super light with 13.5 grams, but the display got bigger by 24% if you compare it to the older Mi Band 6. So this one has a 1.62 inch color touch display. This one is an AMOLED display with a resolution of 192 by 490 pixels. As for the case, we get an all plastic and a TPU strap, which can be changed pretty easily. Just squeeze the fitness tracker out and change it to any other color that you like. Alright, once I got this watch, I was pretty confused. So I tried to hook it up with the Mi Fitness app, but that didn't work. Afterwards, I found out that you have to connect it and download first the Zepp Life App. After that, everything works. And the Zepp Life App kind of like looks just the same as the Mi Fitness app. You have a very pretty first page with all of your health stats and your past workouts. From over here, you can also start exercises such as walking, running, and cycling. And if you click on your devices, there are a lot more things that you can customize and play around with, like your health stats, notifications, and some more. As for some more smart features you can expect on the Mi Band 7 is a music player with which you can skip a track, go back a track, play and pause and adjust the volume. You get a weather app for today, and you get a weather forecast for the next whole week. And of course, you receive all of your notifications on this band. Okay, before we finish up this video, here are some things that you're not going to find on the Mi Band 7. First of all, you have no voice assistant as you have no built-in micro speaker. And if you're looking for a fitness tracker to track your route on your sport mode without your smartphone, this one is not good for you since this one has no built-in GPS. Now, besides these few things, it's a well-rounded fitness tracker. It is compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. You have just about every sport mode there is outside, and you have all of the basic functions such as an alarm, timer, stopwatch, and your Find My Phone feature. And guys, that's already it for the video. I hope you like it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and follow this channel. And with that being said, see you next time. Peace.